How to earn your first $100 in just one day, using simple and practical market methods. Good morning guys. Today, I'm going to show you some basic tips on how to make your first $100. If you don't know how to start selling in the financial market, it will help a lot, as a form of extra income or something that can help at the end of the month. So, you can use both online and physical tools, strategies that generally work in two ways. I'm going to give you 3 tips. However, I'll explain each one better in the next video. Here are the list of 3 most used options. Dropshipping, which is a sales model widely used today, which I will explain better in the next video. Marketplace, which is another very similar model, which I will also explain better in the next videos. Mercado Livre, another methodological form that works well in the current moment we are living in. So, guys, I believe these 3 are one of the most interesting forms of sales. I think you can achieve good results. See you in the next video.